14 weeks to 14 hours. To make this simple system work, Lantec had to change a generation of industrial thinking about how to work and how to work together. Because all the jobs were directly linked with no buffers, it was necessary that everyone think about standard work, which is to say the best way to get the job done in the amount of time available and how to get the job done right the first time, every time. Every step of the job was soon charted by the work team and posted for everyone to see. Similarly, because of the new system machines are only made to order, remember the production lead time has fallen from 16 weeks to 14 hours. So there is no need to build machines ahead of time on speculation in order to permit rapid deliveries. It was important to introduce the concept of takt time. This is the number of machines to be made each day to meet the orders in hand divided into the number of hours in the day. With production at 8 machines per hour day, 8 machines per 8-hour day, takt time is 1 hour. The important point about takt time was that when orders did not require the full utilization of equipment and workers, takt time was increased. The machinery is slowed down and each of the multi-skilled workers in the Q cell formed several other jobs in the cell while excess workers were put on the other tasks around Lantec. This reversed the age-old tendency to work ahead and build inventories if no orders were immediately on hand. 2 other concepts were needed as well. Lantec had to right-size many of its tools and devise a number of new tools so that smaller saws and machining tools could be fitted into the work cells. As it turned out, the excess workers freed up by rethinking production flow were able to make most of the tools needed. Finally, Lantec had to learn how to perform quick changeovers on all the tools so it could make all the parts for each machine and a variety of product options for successive machines with very little downtime. Alright, so obviously there's a big difference. You don't have to build inventory when you can do it in 14 hours. If we can do quick changeovers and we make good parts, we don't have to carry totes and totes of inventory. Alright, that's just raising the water level. So that's why we got to work on reducing our changeover times, getting from first piece to last piece to first piece, not just changeovers. We got to get good from the last part to the first good parts, got to get reduced. Alright, we're seeing changeovers done really quick and it's great. Mold removal, 20 minutes. Mold setup in 40 minutes. Press sits down for 12 hours. Okay? So there's a lot of time in there that we got to start reducing. All right? On average, that's what we're looking at. So we got a lot of area in there to improve, and it's not just on the SMED, a single mold exchange die. Okay?